Hi guys, this video is for all the CA intermediate students. Let me tell you a brutal truth. CA intermediate GST, which is for 50 marks, is not difficult. But many students go ahead and make their life difficult by not studying GST in the right way. Let me go ahead and tell you that we can study GST in just 39 pages. Yes, you heard it right. We have gone ahead and compressed the entire GST for CA Intermediate in just 39 pages. This is the chart book which we have, where you will see every chapter we have gone ahead and compressed in just 1 or 2 pages. Hi, I'm Ramesh Soni and I'm over here to go ahead and announce the new CA Intermediate batch which is applicable for the May 26, September 26, January 27 and onward student. So if you are writing your exam in the upcoming attempt and you are looking for newly, freshly recorded, completely amended and updated batch, here it is about the CA Intermediate GST. CA Intermediate GST का complete batch we have gone ahead and completed in the month of March. It's a 80-85 hours का classes, complete classroom recording. So you will have all the fun of a classroom, students talking, me scolding the students, I am talking to the students, solving doubts of the student, everything you will see, all the classroom fun, you will have it while you are sitting at home and watching the classes. These are completely amended and updated for May 26 students also. If you are writing in September 26, also it is completely amended and updated. Now, if you are a student who is writing in January 27 or onwards attempt, you will have to do one set of amendments separately. The amendments will be provided on YouTube free of cost. Right, everyone? In the class, you will go ahead and see that we have gone ahead and solved lot of question answer. Lot of question answer. I've gone ahead and solved from each and every chapter. I have made students write. You will be seeing that I'm telling you to write, practice, exam writing tricks, how to score good in the exam. Everything is told in the class itself. Along with that, this time we have gone ahead and launched test also along with the classes. So whenever you have completed 4 or 5 chapters, you will be writing one test which is already uploaded in the along with the classes, and the answers are also given. So you write the test, you compare your answer, and you become exam ready. Along with this, along with the classes, we also have launched our version 10 books. This is the chart book. This is the smart book, the textbook summary with art. So we call it smart, the summary textbook. And here is the detailed Q&A material. Q&A plus MCQ book it is. Question answers, RTP, MTP, ICA study material. Everything has been covered. Sir, have you also covered the MCQs? Yes, Baba. Case study MCQs, big questions, case study MCQs with reasoning, all the chapters ka question answers with amended and updated answer have been included in this book. So this is the Q&A book. This is the detailed matlab, summarized textbook, and this is our 39 pages ka chart book. Trust me, this material is all you need to go ahead and complete your IDT ka syllabus. So all the students who are looking for our IDT classes, basically GST ka classes for CA Intermediate, this is the batch you can go for. The batch is completely recorded, available on our website. We go ahead and give 3 views in every classes. So whenever you buy our classes, you can view it 3 times. Baba, that is like more than enough. Right, everyone? So all the students who are looking for classes, you can go to rameshsoni.com and book the classes now. Trust me, CA Intermediate GST is extremely easy. And after watching our classes, you will tell me that. Chalo, all the best, guys. Take care.